calm down before you stress up the groove. The energy a little different when the blessings accrue. Hey, who you talking to? Just know I ain't no regular fool. Could be anything in the world, but I can never be you because I stand tall like I'm on my tiptoes. Baby, you think a little too small. I got big goals, baby. Hey, where the money at? Look, I just need the info. Pronto, I go and get it and split it with my kinfolk daily. And I'm the type of that might change my number on you. Yeah, that's how you react when people took a slumber on you. Pretty brown skin.
Hi, good day, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, I am here today. Once again, let me get all of the preliminaries out of the way. Go like, comment, and subscribe. Shoot up in the comment section for your girl, me. I am Star Pollyanna. On this channel here, I bring you all that good, meaty, juicy content. Today, and it's going to be no different. Today, I am going to be showing you, talking about this suitcase here that I picked up from Take Off Luggage. Guys, listen. Real small. Take Off Luggage. Real cute. I got this luggage. I picked it up from the company. It's called Take Off. And what I'm doing today is trying to see if I can get my 12 pieces of garment that I have here that I tried on in a haul for you guys earlier on. I'm going to put a thumbnail on the screen anywhere here. That's the thumbnail to look for if you want to enjoy that content. These 12 pieces, I showed you how I mix and match them. Today, I am going to be packing all of these items I have into my suitcase to see if I can do that. 12 pieces, 2 pair of shoes, because I tried those shoes on as well. I have makeup, hair, and just a few little, like my toothbrush, travel toothbrush and stuff like that. I'm going to be packing all those things. I'm going to show you guys it. So it's not going to be long. It's going to be really a short, sweet video over a lot of music. And you guys are just going to be watching to see. But if you really want to enjoy all of this, check out that video. That video is going to show you all of the items that I put together, how I pair them off for different times in the evening, the morning, my travel gear. Beautiful. And in my suitcase, I think I'm only going to be carrying my laptop with me. So I'm going to put that in there as well. And my camera that I'm taping with you guys. So I don't have another bag. It's just this bag alone. And this is the size that I'm trying to, because normally if you fly the budget-friendly airlines, they tell you that you're entitled to one personal item and you can carry on another bag, but you have to pay for that bag. This is the only bag that is free. So Take Off have these beautiful removable wheels that you can put it into, like where they checked it in Spirit and Frontier, so that this luggage would be allowed, so you can put it in front your seat as you go into the aircraft. This will be my personal item. So I want to see if I can do a week's travel with just carrying a personal item alone. As per usual, like, comment, subscribe, shoot up in the comment section for your girl. This content is no exception. I hope you guys enjoy this one. I do my best to bring you guys fun stuff here on my channel. So I'm going to pan the camera down and you guys are going to see me packing this suitcase. Once again, if I didn't say it, let me say this. If you're interested in getting yourself one, the links are going to be down below. Just click the link. You can pick you one up as well. Let's go packing. I'm excited about this, guys. Really, truly excited. I want to see if I can do it and pack all of those things inside of here with a breeze. So, here we go. This is my airport shoes. However, I'm wearing this socks, but I'm going to pack this one. So I'm going to separate my outfit for the airport. This is my airport shoes. So that stays out. This goes in. My dress shoes, I show you guys when I'm wearing to go out. That goes in. This jeans. This goes in. My sleepwear. This goes in. Top to go with that jeans pants. This outfit for a date night with hubby. This has to go in. My jumpsuit. This has to go in. This jeans jacket. Comment down below if you guys like videos like this so I can go ahead and do a lot more for you guys. Yeah. This side has some wheels. I left my shoes off. I can sit on the floor to tape for you guys. And these are the wheels that I have to put back on. Here we go. I said this dress, this jeans dress I tried on. Beautiful. This has to go into. Okay, I'm taking this other jean jacket with me. This is pretty new. This has to go into. I want to take this with me. I'm trying to see how many bigger pieces we can get to take. I can get to take on this trip. I think I already started off bad with the packing. This jacket, my green jacket that I love to put on. You guys are counting how many pieces. There we go. This has to go in. So these are most of the clothing that is going with me. And then of course, last but not least, my bathing suit. So this has to go too as well. I also have some underwears that I'm taking with me. This is non-negotiable. I have 10 pair of underwears. Yep. So let's go down. Let's pass. Let's see if your girl can do this. Yep. Let's see if Polly can do this. I'm down on the floor. My underwears. Probably gonna speed this up real fast. So what did I jacket I'm using? I'm not packing that jacket. I gotta leave that jacket out for the airport. Okay. I made a mistake, guys. I made a mistake. I have to leave that jacket out for the airport. Is it that I'm wearing to the airport? Yeah. Yeah. I gotta have a jacket out for the airport. Yeah. Guys, oh my God. I gotta leave that jacket out to go with my airport outfit because I have that white on top, the blue pants, my sneakers, and I have to have a jacket on. Yeah. So I think I left that out for the airport. Yeah. Okay, so those are my underwear. So let's get packing now. Okay. And I have to pack this black purse. That's my one bag that I have. There we go with that part of it. Let's see if I can close it. Okay, so most of my clothes fit there. All of the clothes fit there. The clothes and the shoes fit there. Okay, so now I have this still left out, this dress, which I'm going to roll, I believe. I'm going to roll this dress. I'm going to roll this dress and fit it right in between the groove here. There's a groove here. So I'm gonna put that in that groove there. Now this jeans, I'm gonna roll her as well. Pretty decent. Put it in the other groove on the opposite side. There you go. My shirt, this other shirt, I'm gonna lay her kind of flat like that in there. There we go. So I got that in. So still have some room. Now that's my outfit for the airport. So I'm wearing that for the airport. I need to put, so far it's looking good. So far it's looking good. Tell me guys, what you guys think? This is looking good. This is looking good. This is looking good. So far that's looking good. So I want to put my, hold on, my toiletries in. I want to put my toiletries. So in here I got, like, for the beach, the banana boat, just a spray with 30 PF. I got a toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, powder. I like some powder at night. And a lint brush for my clothing for when I have to step out. So that goes in there for my toiletries. Listen. What is that there? Maybe I wrap this in here. Maybe I wrap this in here. Yeah, there you go. Toiletries in there. Okay, let's get my makeup bag now. So this is my makeup bag. These are all my makeup things that I want to take with me. Too Faced, Juvia's Place, my Fenty powder, my Morphe spray. I'm going to go ahead and put that in there like that. So that fits in all of my makeup. So I take a shower. I have all those things for my hair, my stuff like that. I have my brush to pack in. Here we go. I have two brushes. This is what I use all the time. So that goes in here. Shove it down there. My brush. And I have my comb already in here. I have to get one more thing in here. My laptop. And I'm packed. I'll be back. Let me get my laptop. Here we go, guys. My laptop. That have to fit in there. This is the last piece of the puzzle. My laptop, this is for me. That has to fit in there. For when I'm working, editing my videos and so forth. Or I'm just browsing the World Wide Web. Let's see if we can close it now. There we go. Look at that, guys. I did it. I did it. I did it. I did it. I pack a week. Listen, a week's worth of clothes inside of this little personal item. This is the best piece of thing I have ever purchased. Guys, links are down below if you're interested in picking yourself up one. Listen, this is a must-have. This is a must-have. If you like traveling, you want to try traveling like how I am traveling, the only thing is that you can't buy anything to bring back, especially when you travel on those budget-friendly airlines. I am not looking to purchase anything. I'm just going for the experience and the time there, either with my friends, my husband, or by myself on a solo trip. Listen, everything, and this is not the one, because they also have another one to sell that is extendable, that you can extend the sides of the suitcase. I will tell you, do not extend this. Do not buy the one to extend the suitcase, because then it would not fit into the allotted space. This is by Take Off. Guys, this is a lovely, this is Take Off. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Yep, everything got in. Everything got in. Look at that, guys. This is by Take Off. Take Off Luggage. I'm so excited I brought you guys this one. Listen, now I'm on my merry way. And I have about a week's worth of clothing in here. I did it. And my laptop, my charger and stuff like that. I have more room. I could just stuff the charger inside. Yeah. That's it. I got everything that I wanted to take with me on my trip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm inside my studio on the floor. I do all of these beautiful things, you guys, reasonable things, things that make sense. So that if you too go to buy a suitcase or you too are trying to do this, you can do it yourself. Hope you guys like this one. As I oftentimes say, like, comment, subscribe. Shoot up in the comment section for your girl. If you want more of me, follow me on Instagram as well as TikTok is on the screen. I love you guys. I am so excited. I did it. I packed it. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Look at that. There I go. Bye, guys. Until we meet again next time.
Celebrate, but ain't no celebrations here.